Low humidity and high winds. That recipe for fire danger hitting across the Front Range in just hours. Several communities on alert right now at 10. We are tracking wind gusts of up to 90 miles an hour. And for the first time in state history, schools are canceling classes ahead of that extreme weather.
Tomorrow, for just the second time ever, Xcel Energy planning power shutoffs, reducing the risk of a power line sparking and starting a wildfire. We've been watching the potential for these dangerous wind gusts for days.
We have another round of team coverage for you tonight, helping keep you and your family up to date on what to expect. Starting at 10 a.m., 52,000 Xcel customers could lose power.
Boulder County RE4 School District, Poudre, CU Boulder, Clear Creek Schools, and now Jefferson just announcing some closures. Sarah Herbakowitz is your reporter in Boulder County, where families are too familiar with this type of extreme weather.
And Sarah, it's been almost 4 years since the Marshall Fire, and your community doing everything it can to avoid a repeat.
Yeah, a lot of the people I spoke to here say they're grateful that people are being safe than sorry. And while this could be an inconvenience, they're preparing for it as people try and make those decisions. We see some of those cancellations and other decisions continuing to roll in as everyone makes a choice of what to do when the wind comes tomorrow. As the wind blows in Boulder, some are stocking up.
We got lighters for candles and the gas stove.
To batten down the hatches.
We're going to fill the bathtub with water.
Yeah, for the toilets.
We got down blankets. We got 4 bags of ice to fill our cooler.
But others may just be hoping for the best. Are you charging any extra batteries or anything?
Not at this point, no.
Do you think you should?
Probably, yeah.
With 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Wednesday's forecast, the decisions on how to prepare or what should stay open can be tricky.
What are we going to do? Where are we going to sleep? What are we going to eat?
To help parents plan, Boulder Valley Schools decided they'd stay open Wednesday, with only one school in the shutoff zone.
Our goal is always to keep schools open and operating. There's a lot of things going on there. This week is finals week for our high school students. We have students that depend on us for services. You know, if they don't have warm food to eat, a warm place to stay, you know, our schools are, you know, the center of our community.
While parents can decide to keep their kids home for an excused absence, the overall decision still has to come hours before the wind really begins.
Trying to see into that future, that is hard. There's a chance that we wake up in the morning and the situation's changed and we have to make a different call.
At the same time, CU Boulder decided to close school Wednesday, leaving at least one researcher hoping for home Wi-Fi.
My job is going to be remote tomorrow. We're kind of trying to figure out what's going on. It's still kind of like, well, we're either closed for 3 days or we're closed for nothing.
But many Boulderites are focused on the bigger reason behind the shutoff.
Because again, we don't want fire, so if we have to go without, power for a little bit, that's fine. Yeah, I think it's better to be safe than sorry.
If your power does go off, Xcel says there's not an exact timeline for when it might turn back on. But one person I spoke to in Boulder today says, well, it is Hanukkah, which is about the miracle of light. So if their power goes off, they're hoping it all comes back on pretty quickly. Reporting in Boulder, Sarah Herbakowitz, covering Colorado First.
Sounds like everyone is preparing. Sarah, thank you.
Let's get over to First Alert.